Any help with weight loss? Weight loss is it's very simple. But if you go on an all food diet, for most people, if your adrenals and your thyroid is not compromised, okay, you are going to you're going to have an easier time losing weight because it's low calorie and because the fruits are astringent. They cleanse the body and they clean the glands and the organs, so you will lose a lot of weight quickly. Okay, but if you can't lose weight and you have been struggling not and you can't lose weight, it's because your adrenals and your thyroid are compromised. Okay, you need to address those. Very, very important that you do so because the thyroid is there for metabolic rate and metabolism. Okay, and the adrenals is there for sugar metabolism, among other things, fighting inflammation, producing neurotransmitters, etc. So if you can't lose weight, I would go on the Fabulous 5 herbs, like I showed you here. And I would go on maybe a 10 or 20 day dark grape only diet or lemon only diet. Use the kidney tea. Okay, and at the same time, I'll take herbs for the adrenals and herbs for the thyroid, and that will get you going nicely and to fix everything nicely up for you, and you will lose weight in a good way. Okay.